In this video, we're going to see if it's possible to get Google Play games on iOS. Is it possible? Is it not? Let's find out. If you head over to the App Store and you look for Google apps like Google Chrome, for example, you might be able to find them. This is because the developers of the app took the time to make sure the app was compatible with any iOS device. However, you might not have the same success by searching up games that are exclusive to the Play Store. For example, if there is a game that you know is available on the Play Store but you cannot seem to find it on your iOS device, it's because the developers of that app did not make sure the app was compatible with iOS or decided not to add compatibility. Besides apps that are natively compatible, there is no workaround to making sure any Android game or app works with iOS, and sadly, as of today, any methods that claim they will be able to help you install Play Store apps on your iOS device are fake. So, as of today, it is impossible to add any Google Play game to your iPhone if it's not compatible natively. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but to let people be aware that it's impossible to download games from the Play Store into an iOS device if the app is not compatible. If this video cleared up any questions you had, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.